All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. Wednesday. Hope everybody's doing well. Let's move this down. We'll get down here. We're going to talk. We're on Bex Plus. For everyone who doesn't know, Bex Plus is a 100x exchange. This exchange is not for everybody. Obviously, you need to know that, but it's got a lot of functionality that we like to use. You can also use bityard.com for a lot of other altcoins. Obviously, with Bex Plus, you've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, and Dogecoin. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, we're talking Ethereum today. We're going to be talking Ethereum all week long. Everybody's going to be talking Ethereum. Bitcoin is actually going to be taking a backseat to Ethereum this week. We can already see that coming here in the trading that we're actually seeing here today. Why? It's a big question, right? Well, we got the London fork happening, okay? And everyone knows it's been anticipated for a while now. We've been talking about this before. We've been talking about this for weeks and weeks and weeks. Buy the rumor, sell the news, right? This isn't new for all of us in our group. Have been talking about what will be the impact of this hard fork. And it's, you've got stated goals for the hard fork from the developer community. You've got the reality of how the market is going to interpret this. Long term, the market is going to interpret this as Ethereum developers taking a position in order really to make Ethereum more of a store of value. And how they can do that is by making these moves, which will act as a deflationary move overall, in which the network will actually burn fees as opposed to fees being paid to miners. Okay, it's basically another transition. And when you couple that with what's going to happen with Ethereum 2.0 coming up for later on, you see the natural progression of Ethereum. And the reason why this is happening is so institutions can be more willing and ready to adopt Ethereum in the manner in which, a lot of people would argue they have Bitcoin already. Obviously, Bitcoin now is obviously moving back up of 39,000 today. Our entry was 38,100, the latest entry. We've been obviously playing these moves in Bitcoin all the way since 30,000 in the last few weeks. Slide this over. You can kind of see here where we are with Ethereum now at that 2484 entry. It's now 2709. Bitcoin sequentially here, obviously from 38,100, which is a pure RSI entry level play on the longer interval format, the 1 hour and the 4 hour. It is now 39,487. Okay, so, and obviously we still have our two open trades from Litecoin at 128. It's now 143, 61 cents in XRP, 73 cents in XRP. You can see these massive moves in Litecoin and XRP. No reason why to mess with those trades. Let them run. Fundamentally, we're going to see what the correlation will be between Ethereum and the broader market this week. Not really Bitcoin. Bitcoin basically can be pulled along. We've seen this before with Ethereum where once or twice Ethereum kind of takes over the narrative, okay? And it becomes the driver of the rest of the crypto market. Okay, and so there's no reason here to do anything. If you want to set a stop loss, if you want to set a parameter of a minimum rate of return, obviously we talk about that in our group. But right now we're just seeing this move here, and we're talking about since August 3rd. So we're looking at yesterday's entries, right? Okay, so in 24 hours, you've got a 1,400 basis point move in Bitcoin, and then you've got a 300 plus move in Ethereum. And all that is predicated on, really, in my opinion, news coming of the London forking and everything that's going to happen with that. Now, that being said, there's always that chance that this fork results in, controversy, right? Or skepticism by the miner community, right? Because they're the ones who are going to be directly impacted. We saw this before in 2016 with Ethereum Classic. So even as a main net, we still could have another chain. We could do whatever again because this is a hard fork. So you're looking at the beginnings of something here. You really now above 2,700. We're falling back down below 2,700, like I talked about in our group. If you're not part of our email update, you want to make sure that you send mycryptoballers@gmail.com. Sign up for requests to be added to the email update list. You'll know everything about that 2,700 level for Ethereum and why that's going to be a critical level here for the rest of the day. All right, mates.